There is one more important reaction from examination point of view given on page number 7 of your NCERT book. As you can see here, in this reaction, slaked lime, or we can say calcium hydroxide, I have given you one task to find out the common name of calcium hydroxide. So the common name is slaked lime. It will react when it is used mainly for whitewashing of the walls. So when we whitewash the walls with slaked lime, then it will react slowly with CO2 present in the air. So after it react with the CO2, it form a thin layer of calcium carbonate plus water on the walls. Okay. Then calcium carbonate is formed after 2 or 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls. जब हम सबसे पहले स्लेक लाइम करते हैं और वो CO2 के साथ रिएक्ट हो जाती है तो क्या बनाती है, वो एक लेयर बनाती है, थिन लेयर, which gives shiny finish to the walls. And it is very interesting to note that chemical formula of marble is also CaCO3. This is also known as limestone. Calcium carbonate is also known as limestone, and calcium hydroxide is known as slaked lime, and calcium oxide is known as quicklime. Okay, so these are the different common names of these three important compounds. Thank you. In activity 1.7, in this activity we will do a decomposition reaction with an activity. First of all, we will take a mug and make two holes at the bottom with the help of driller and fit 2 rubber stoppers in these holes. As you can see, these brown color are rubber stoppers. Then insert carbon rods in these rubber stoppers. Then we will insert carbon rods. After that, we will connect these carbon rods with a 6-volt battery. Fill the mug with water such that electrodes are immersed. Add a few drops of then dilute sulfuric acid we will add and to the water. Then take 2 test tubes filled with water. As you can see, we will put it upside down on the carbon electrodes. Then we switch on the current and leave the apparatus undisturbed. What we will observe that bubbles start appearing from both the electrodes. How these bubbles are formed? These bubbles are formed when there occurs electrolysis of water. So the question arises, is the volume of gas collected in the same is in the both the bulbs tubes are same or not? So when we observe carefully, we find out that volume of one gas is double the ratio of other gas. So that I have told you in decomposition reaction that H2 is produced in double amount as compared to O2. Thank you.